Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is Efo Riro with spinach. Do you know how to make your Efo Riro with spinach, or are you still learning? Constant practice makes us perfect, you know. If you are still finding it difficult to cook Efo Riro with spinach or any other vegetable, then come with me. Let's do it together today. This is fresh spinach, and it's going to be the #1 ingredient we are going to use for Efo Riro today. I will blanch it, but it might be off camera to save time. I have a lot of video where I have done that for you to see. You can check them out. You can as well use shoko. Yoruba has used shoko for this Efo Riro. If you use shoko for Efo Riro, you will also get that native taste. There is a particular taste shoko used to give to Efo Riro. If you can place your hand on it wherever you are, I think it's one of the best vegetable for Efo Riro. I got my assorted meat, including the cow skin, which is kanda or pomo, whichever one you know it with. Each and every one of them are going in for the Efo Riro. Please, when it comes to the proteins for your soup, use what you like or have, but if you try this version, you would definitely like it. This is smoked fish. This is dry fish. My friends once told me that there is no quality Efo Riro without dry fish. I got stockfish. I got here onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, Atarodo, which is under, and real bell pepper. This is crayfish, locust beans, salt, seasoning cube, dry thyme, and lastly palm oil. Please note, they don't use vegetable oil to cook Efo Riro, okay? Now let's start cooking, and I will start by seasoning the meat. Of a truth, Efo Riro does not need too much spices when seasoning the meat. For that, as you can see, I'm using only diced onion, seasoning cube, dry thyme, and salt. That's all you need to season the meat with, but you can feel free to use whatever you like. Cover to steam and release its own juice before adding your own water. This is after 5 minutes or thereabouts. The meat has released its own juice. Now I will stir. After stirring, I will add my own water, a little water, and then cover and leave it to cook until tender. Now the meat is finally ready and tender. As you can see, I am stirring it together, after which I will remove it from the heat and set aside for grilling. I just want to grill the meat a bit. I like my meat grilled when it comes to my Efo Riro. Please don't grill the meat to be too dry so that you will enjoy it after cooking. If you grill the meat to be too dry, man, sorry might be what you will be telling yourself after grilling. Grill the meat to be juicy. Hope that makes sense. Done grilling. Can you see how beautiful and juicy the meat looks like? I pray never to finish the meat today before cooking. I've started blending my pepper mixture. As I earlier said, what I got in there is onion, Atarodo, Scotch bonnet pepper, and real bell pepper. Please don't blend smoothly but roughly. I don't know how to explain it, but this is exactly what I mean. I blended it roughly. I'm done now, and here we go. Next, preheat some palm oil a bit. Please don't allow the vapor to be so high so that you wouldn't end up burning people's house or even your own house. Add the diced onion and saute for a few seconds. Please don't over fry the onion. Afterward, add the locust beans, that is iru, and stir together. Adding the locust beans first will boost the taste of Efo Riro and give it that local taste that will make some people finish 1 bag of rice at once or 5 cups of garri at once, still asking for more. Do you know there are some people who are ready to finish 1 basin of garri just because of how delicious a particular soup tastes? If you have the experience just like me, let's interact at the comment section. Next, add the pepper mixture. I like adding my pepper mixture first, while some people like adding their protein first before pepper mixture. Please do whatever you like. So far so good. We all will land up at a perfect Efo Riro at last. As you can see, I am stirring everything together. Afterward, I will allow it open to fry for 10 minutes. And in between the 10 minutes, I'll be stirring it off the camera, okay? This is 10 minutes. The pepper mixture is a bit dry but not totally dry. Now I will add my dry fish, stockfish, assorted meat, and then stir together for them to marry themselves. Hope you understand what I mean. Stir very well to combine. Yeah. After stirring well, add some seasoning cube, salt to taste, and then stir one more to combine. After stirring, please allow it to dry well until the palm oil settles on top of the pepper mixture. By so doing, nobody will complain of eating a raw Efo Riro. This is about 15 more minutes later. As you can see, there is a change on the color. That means the pepper mixture is well dry. I've added my crayfish, as you can see, and my smoked fish, and I'm stirring it together to combine. Please, I added a little stock, just a little stock of the camera to loosen it up. Please, I lost that clip and I can't cancel the video because of that clip. Please do bear with me. After adding the mixed stock, the next is to add the blanched spinach. I do not show where I blanch this spinach because I have a lot of videos on my channel where I have done this already. Please check them out. Then stir in the spinach well and allow it for just 2 minutes. You know it's vegetable, you don't supposed to allow it to overcook. If this is too thick for you, you can add more stock to loosen it up. But for me, I am going for this thickness. Now let's check and balance the taste. You know I like this part so much. The taste is absolutely delicious. On this junction, Virtuous family, our Efo Riro with spinach is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, we are done cooking. Can you see how inviting it looks? There is no taste on this air that can compare with this Efo Riro. You can use this Efo Riro to eat rice, fufu, semo, wheat, yam, just to mention but a few. It does not select at all. I am a witness of what I am telling you. Try this version of Efo Riro and you will thank me later. Please, if you do, tag us on all our social media handle as usual. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we like and enjoy bringing them at your doorstep. If you do enjoy the video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.